Internet, I'm Scott, and this is PLUGHITZ Live Unboxed. Today we're going to take a look at the Twinkly Dots. If you're not aware of Twinkly, they are a really interesting take on the LED light phenomenon. Obviously, there are lots of LED lights on the market. We've got some running behind us here. But Twinkly takes a different approach. They actually allow you to create unique patterns, to customize them however you want, and then build a map of where the lights are. It's a really cool process. We got to see it at CES. We'll also be doing a how-to with this set here as well. It's a really easy process, very cool. We're going to be doing some remodels here in the studio and hoping that the Twinkly Dots will be part of that. But before it can be, let's take a look at what comes in the box. All right, nice box so far. The front has got some nice foil, gold foil leaf on it, or copper foil leaf, I suppose, which makes sense. If the company's called Twinkly, the branding should probably sparkle some. Inside, when you first open it up, we have a nice user's manual, and the user's manual has some information on it, which is really important. It says Twinkly Generation 2 dot. That's important because when you're doing the pairing, you need to know what generation it is. So putting it front and center, very nice. Here we have a little card. It is from the CEO. It says, "Hi there. We're glad you chose to bring Twinkly into your life. We hope you'll love your new lights. When Twinkly was born in Italy back in 2016, our dream was to light up everyone's life with great technology and a bit of magic. So a big thank you for making this dream a reality." There's a lot more information on here. It's really nice. I love these types of things. By the way, they've absolutely succeeded in that goal because their technology powered the Pope's Christmas tree one year. So they have definitely managed to light up a lot of people's lives. Here we've got some stickers, something that has become more common in the tech industry and something that I like. Here we have the product. I'm going to start in this box first. That's fascinating. Okay, so in that box, we have got just a power adapter with a screw-on bottom, which means, theoretically, these should be waterproof. We've got a little envelope here, and in the envelope, there are some very, very small dots. I am guessing that these are double-sided stick, and they're for mounting the dots. Now here we have the actual product. I'll take this piece of cardboard off. All right, take that off. And we can put this here. All right, so on this end, we have got the other side of this plug. Match up the flat side to the flat side, plug it in, screw it down. These types of screw-on power are specifically for waterproofing, so almost certainly that is not intended for permanent installation. Okay, here we have a control unit with a button on it. The button probably gives you the ability to cycle through some preset situations on here, things like solid colors or predetermined animations and things like that. The lights themselves come with a Velcro strap on them, which I am absolutely loving. As somebody who has purchased hundreds of Velcro straps, it's nice to have the product come with it. But for right now, we'll take it off, and the Velcro strap is branded, so you definitely know what it's for. And then here we have our lights. Single strand, one run, 200 lights, and you can install them in any order, in any configuration that you want. You use the mobile app to build a map of where they are, and then I'll tell you, I saw a Christmas tree running actual, like, not quite video, but yes, videos on it. There's a lot that you can do with these. Very cool. Definitely cannot wait to get these up and running full time and get a better idea of how they work. I definitely want to power them on right now. If it screws up the pairing later, it's fine. I have to power these on for you guys. You have to see them in action. Alright, so I have plugged them in, and here they go. They are in one of their predetermined patterns. You can see they're twinkling, they're powering on, they're doing it in order. So right now they're able to do things in order like this, just straight down the line or in predetermined patterns. Once you go through the pairing process, though, you're legitimately able to get them to build a very accurate map and know where each and every pixel is and be able to do some pretty advanced animations. It's really cool. We'll be doing a how-to on that. You can go to PLUGHITZLive.com/how-to to see that. If you want to see other unboxing videos, you can do that by going to unboxed.live or at our YouTube channel at PLUGHITZLive. And of course, we'll be doing a full product review on these as well, and possibly even a video on the installation here in the studio. For all of that, you can go to PLUGHITZLive.com/reviews to see the review, and the link will be updated in this video as well. And with that, until next time, ciao.